when you're ready.
Huh. You want help?
Yes.
You want help?
No, I got it.
You got it? Make sure you get all of it.
Squeeze.
You're gonna squeeze it?
Yeah, that's the way I have to do this.
What are you guys making?
Slime, unicorn slime.
Yeah, we're making 3 total.
Well, I'm doing 1.
Yeah, he's doing 1 and I'm gonna make 2.
Bob, come out wherever you. Ooh. That looks like poop.
Ew.
How much did you put in?
All of
Pretty
it.
much the whole thing.
Yeah,
1.
that's good. That's all of it. That's all of it. That's all of it. Okay, let's mix. Let's mix. I don't mix.
Are you gonna add anything in it?
Oh yes. I'm gonna add. First, I'm gonna add these. I don't have these.
Do you need help opening them?
No.
Just do a little bit.
A lot.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna add a little silver.
Mom, you might want to get napkins for after in case. Here, you want to open it up so it's easier?
Now I opened it up.
Oh. Can I borrow that? Thank you. Are you adding anything else?
Yes, I'm gonna add green ones.
Green ones? Don't you need like white glitter?
No, you can use anything. I'm gonna add a little of green. So, no, I got
Does
it.
not work.
Okay. I want a little pink.
Okay, this is gonna explode. I'm not doing that. I'll just take a year.
So I basically doesn't know how to make slime properly. So this is just going to come out a blob of glue.
It is? No, it's not.
So it's going to come out.
Like slime.
Yeah. But it's going to be, guess what?
What?
Very, very sticky. Because there's going to be like this much activator and this much glue.
Well, we'll have to fix that.
No, actually, we can put this much activator and this much glue.
Okay, that sounds about right.
And take some and sprinkle it around. Okay.
I might need a paper towel. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna spill everything.
Can you open these?
Here, I got it. Oh, I got scissors. That's why you have your scissors.
Oh, I got it.
I'll look at mine. Is there a lot of glitter?
Yeah. Well, did you even eat glue? Oh, I forgot it's clear. I want little smiley faces. Okay, have to mix again. So, hey, what should I add next? What should I? Oh no, I have white. I have to add white. I said it. I need white. I have to. I need white. I need water white. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, I like this.
It looks like a galaxy.
Should we add some of the stuff now?
Whoa. Oh, you're gonna add some of that? Like shaving cream and stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna add lotion. Okay?
Lotion?
Yes. Wait a minute, I want to add some blacks to mine.
Some what?
Then
Wax.
what order should he do it in? Tell him.
Here, just squirt that in there. Just a little. That's good.
Okay, then I mix it again, right?
Yep. I'm gonna activate mine.
I will activate mine when I'm done with all this stuff. This is probably too much lotion.
It's okay, it makes it very soft and clicky.
I have to add more glue.
You're adding more glue. Do you want to know a trick?
I got it.
You can go in the bathroom and fill that up with water and shake it and pour it out. There'll be more slime and Mom, like, it'll help them probably.
No, I got it! I got it by myself.
About fill halfway, not all the way.
Just me.
And I'll spread it out.
And shake it up.
Okay, let me.
Ooh, is it pouring in?
Yes. Some. Okay, that's good. So that's good. I'm gonna. Ugh. Mine looks good, but
Nice.
I'm gonna add a little bit of this color.
Oh, can I see? That's beautiful.
Why did we not think of shaving cream? No.
Shake it up. I'll help you with that. Do you want help?
No, I'm shaking it up. I shaked it up. Dude, is it good? Is it good?
Can I try?
Shake it up.
Do you want to put it in?
Yes.
Or do you want me to do it for you?
I'm gonna put it in. I wanna put it in. Can't. You do it. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's
How
good.
much? Okay.
That's good.
That's good.
Put the cap back on. Okay, mix mine up. Mine is gonna be fluffy. Mine is gonna. Sissy, can you add a little activator to mine?
Okay, mix all the shaving cream in first.
Wait.
Okay, there.
Okay, that's good. Add some shaving. No.
Activator.
Yes. Little activator. Oh, that's good. Okay, I probably need more glue.
No, that's enough glue.
No, I need some because of the activator. Why do you need more shaving cream?
More shaving cream. Mix it.
Okay, mix it. No, mix your slime.
No, mix the slime first.
I did.
No, you didn't. You forgot to mix it after your activator.
Oh. But it squirts up in my mouth now.
Go slow.
Okay, I need more glue.
Mama, can you put more in here, please?
What do you mean, Mama?
Activator.
Look,
Wait. No, yet.
I'm not going to.
Okay, Sissy, let me see how that came out so far.
So.
Oh, wow.
Listen, I don't think you're doing this right order.
Andromeda slime.
No, I did it
Do you need
right.
any more activator?
And Mason, can you hold yours up right now so I can just see how it's coming out so far? Oh, that's pretty
I
good.
don't need.
Stir it. Let me see what it looks like when you stir it. Oh, so the activator makes it like harden a little bit.
It makes it turn into
I
slime.
got some shaving now.
Oh yeah, are you gonna shave?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your YouTube channel, by the way?
Blue Mountain.
Blue Mountain.
But we on Pink Donuts right now.
Okay.
Because this is Sissy's video right
No,
now.
I don't
All
have
right.
an account.
All right. Bye.
No, I don't.
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, wow.